To use MetaMask for an airdrop, start by installing the MetaMask extension on your browser or downloading the mobile app. Once installed, create a new wallet by clicking on Create a Wallet and following the prompts to set up your account. You will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to store this phrase in a safe and secure location. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main interface of MetaMask, where you can see your account balance and transaction history. To receive an airdrop, you need to add the relevant token to your MetaMask wallet. To do this, click on the Add Token button and enter the token address or search for the token name. Once you have added the token, you can view its balance and any transactions related to it. When an airdrop is available, the tokens will be automatically deposited into your wallet. You can then view the airdrop tokens in your wallet and use them to interact with the relevant blockchain or trade them on a cryptocurrency exchange. To ensure the security of your wallet and airdrop tokens, make sure to keep your seed phrase safe and only use reputable sources to find airdrop opportunities. Additionally, be cautious of scams and never share your seed phrase or private key with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can use MetaMask to safely and securely receive airdrops and participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem.